Hey, my dudes. It's us
Oh
again.
god.
Playing
It's
stick
us
fight
again.
today. Runs away.
Oh no, Donald.
Knowledge.
Oh,
Get wrecked, son! You couldn't handle me anyways.
oh Donald.
Say your prayers, boy.
Did we even introduce the game?
I said it's stick fight. Knowledge.
Oh. Knowledge. Yeah, but it's stick fight the game.
Well, it's stick fight. Knowledge. Oh wait, I won?
Yeah.
I think I kicked you in the face. Knowledge.
I think you threw the gun at my head hole.
Oh no. Oh, I'm alive!
Lives? Holy crap.
Blows like finger blades off. Knowledge.
Oh, blow itself up. That's just
your
like what I
time's
do in
done, boy.
Fortnite all the
Knowledge.
time.
Oh!
Oh, steps on my head and dies. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Dead.
Help me. Oh! Dishonor. Oh, blows brains out.
Oh, Donald. Oh god.
Gets gunned down.
It's like a burst. It's like a burst assault rifle from Fortnite. Knowledge.
Well,
I'm gonna die.
hee XD Jeffy.
Oh god, don't even. Freaking
Knowledge.
gay. Oh, Donald.
This
Donald's
is great.
dumb.
Knowledge.
Jesus.
Jesus.
Yeetus.
Jeebus.
Holy Jeebus, man.
We do not say the Lord's name in vain, man. Go away. Knowledge.
Dies. Dead.
Ripperonies.
Knowledge.
Oh, Donald.
Oh! I'm in a box, help me!
Jesus. Holy Jeebus, man.
Well,
Table.
you saved me.
Goes on other end.
Oh no. Knowledge. What is that noise?
It's me. Yeah.
Knowledge. It's me. Like that one Five Nights at Freddy's song?
What song?
The trash Five Nights at Freddy's song? Knowledge.
Oh, Jesus.
Dies.
Mine just split in half all of a sudden.
Knowledge.
Does. Hey guys, welcome back to Door Nation. Knowledge.
We haven't even addressed what YouTube channel this is. Knowledge.
Yeah, we're Door Nation here.
Yay.
Oh, Donald.
Best
Channel, subscribe.
Subscribe for free money.
Subscribe for free.
Robux.
V-Bucks.
B-Buck. Subscribe for free Minecraft. Subscribe for free. Subscribe for free Chuck E. Cheese tokens.
We will deliver free money to your house if you put in your address and your mom's credit card number and
Yeah, we're
Stuff like
currently stuck in a basement. We'd like it if you to look on the back of your mom's credit card and
give us the 4-digit code.
yeah.
Don't actually.
Please don't do it.
Do it.
I dare you not to do it. Don't.
Knowledge.
I dare you
not to do it.
Oh, ducks under gun. Oh,
Stabs you.
guys. This is a script, by the way.
Beanie me new. This is script.
Oh, Donald. Ninja
boom,
Assassin 6.
boom, 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 boom.
Oh. XX Gamer Ninja XX.
Dude, this is a slide platform. Dies.
Oh, Donald.
Woo. No.
Oh, Donald.
Oh, this is a good one.
Yeah, what's
Knowledge.
Oh, God. Look at me. I look like Squidward without a bottom. Go back. Oh, my God.
Gets head ripped off by Spike.
I'm dead.
Knowledge.
Oh, Donald.
Oh,
Donald. Oh, Denard.
What happened? Knowledge.
I died to the laser.
Ah!
I'm the master of Ninjago.
Knowledge. Ninjago Master. Knowledge.
Oh, Donald.
Throw a sword.
Goes for gang shoot. Knowledge.
Knowledge. Nova King.
Dova King.
Oh, we're having a free $20 Steam giveaway, people. Not.
Yep. Enter the 4-digit code.
Knowledge. We already made that joke. That's
Yeah.
not on the script. You're going off the script!
Sorry, I'm sorry. On
Knowledge.
what page are we on?
Page. Wait, hold on. I gotta ask the director. What page are we on? Oh, 64. Diamonds.
Alright.
Knowledge.
I got diamonds in my shafts.
Throw a sword goes up there.
Yep. Oh, God,
Oh, comes
Donald.
back to me.
I will murder you. Frick, I wanted that. I want.
you first. Oh no.
It's like the Fortnite SMGs, guys.
I see you 50 cowboys. Knowledge.
It's a heavy sniper, guys. It's a bolt action.
Did they even add the 50 cal sniper rifle in
Yeah, they did.
Knowledge? Oh!
Jesus.
Blows brains out.
Friggin' blows a kneecap off.
Knowledge. Meep.
Meep. Meeps? What were meeps again?
Meep City.
Meep City, dude. I love Meep City. It's
That's
like
our fan base.
It's for dank
It's our 6
gamers, dude. It's
subscribers.
for epic dank gamers.
Holy spaghetti.
Meep City, dude.
Meep City.
You can only play Meep City if you're an epic gamer, dude.
You gotta be an epic Fortnite gamer.
Yeah. You can only play Meep City to give us the 4-digit code behind your credit card.
Don't make me.
Type
you.
the 4-digit code. Type the 4-digit code on the back of your mom's credit card in the comment section below. I hope we don't get this video taken down for trying to scam. It's a joke. Don't listen to us. We're dumb.
Knowledge.
Should've took the micro Uzi.
You spaghetti. You freaking spaghetti, dude. Knowledge.
You spaghetti. Gotta get the White Death achievement, man.
Well, you still haven't gotten that. No,
No,
you
I
got
got
it.
it.
You got it, yeah. Guys, in the description below, or knowledge, in the comment below, comment what video you want to see us do next. Knowledge.
Yep.
Video.
From Minecraft to Roblox, okay?
Isn't that in like the same area?
Yeah. Both trash.
Oh!
Comment down below if you think we should do Fortnite duo knowledge.
No. I don't want to do that very much.
Oh yeah, crab.
Knowledge. Was this past your brain cell?
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Oh!
Jesus.
It's just you and me! Knowledge. Carl! Who's you? Knowledge.
Jeez. Knowledge. Nalarg. Nalargabarg.
I think we've
Jeez,
gone
I
off
would
the
have died
script
that
again.
way. Yeah, we're on page 63.
Knowledge when you go down a page.
Knowledge.
Hey, go under that spike. I won't hurt you.
Hold on.
I said go under the spike! Here, I'll give you this shotgun.
I'm dying.
You just got it. Oh, that
What?
was pretty sick. Knowledge.
What happened? Did you balance the sword?
The
Oh,
sword,
Donald.
the sword came back at you. What are you doing? Oh my god, go under. How did I win? I don't get it. How
Because
did I win?
Donald.
How did I win?
Donald Gump.
I think there's ghosts in my house.
I hit spike. No way, guys. Do not sleep on Minecraft at 3 a.m.
Blows brains out. Didn't Ali A make a Minecraft video?
I think he used to be a Minecraft channel.
Knowledge. I mean, Fortnite. It's not that far away from Minecraft.
I mean,
It has
well, yeah.
building mechanics.
Not crafting.
You can craft and save the world. That's the only good thing about Fortnite. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Oh my god, guys, I crafted a wooden sword and saved the world. Oh!
Mm.
You're getting crushed. What are you doing?
Dying.
I think he's
Because
dead.
old man fart nugget died.
Are we at the 30-minute recording video time? Knowledge.
Yeah, man. Where my phone can't record 30 minutes, so it shuts off. Knowledge.
Knowledge. When we reach the next version of this land, knowledge, it'll be the
Yeah.
end. Knowledge. Please don't hurt me. I'm gonna win.
Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for now.
Yep.
We'll see you next time on Door Nation.
Eat spaghetti for free. Minecraft gives us the 4-digit code.
Yes, subscribe. Give us 4-digit code in the comment section, and don't call Papa John Pizza at 3 a.m. and
Don't get stuck under the rock like this boy right here. Ah! Okay,
I
that's it. Knowledge.
yep. See you guys, and please subscribe for free money.
Yeah, and the 4-digit code. So
Yeah, 4-digit code. Make sure to remember that.
yeah.
Yep.
Bye.
Yep. Yep.
For now.